Nigga, bitch. I tell them how it is. Ain't no pressure. No pressure. I got it out the mud. Ain't no pressure. No pressure. When them blue lights start flashing, you feel that pressure. That pressure. Put my foot on niggas' necks, applying pressure. That pressure. I tell them how it is.
Yo, what this is, your boy. I am Record J. Cruising through the city. My hair napping. Y'all gotta excuse that. My shit napping. But this shit raw, man. Go get me something to eat. I'm always talking about some food. I've been home all day. So yeah. I'm putting my hat on, man, so y'all get the vibe, man. Nowhere to go but McDonald's. Oh, boy, you gotta wait. That car gotta wait, boy. Ain't nowhere to get nothing to eat from but McDonald's, man. It's the only place I can get something to eat from. Y'all know Dawson ain't hardly got no food place. No good food place. They already got a place. Going a bit done out. Ooh, but this sun bright, son. God damn, hold on. Nah, I'm finna try something real quick. I ain't gonna try it. Pull up the fairway, man. Why this sun so bright, man? Good God Almighty. I don't want nothing but a double cheeseburger meal.
May I help you?
I get a double cheeseburger meal.
Oh, what now?
Double cheeseburger meal.
That be all?
Yes. I get a large sweet tea with it.
All right, $4.59.
All right, appreciate it. Let me see what they got at the window.
$4.59.
These people in Dawson used to their vlogging. They gonna look at me crazy with the camera in my hand, but this raw. You smell me? I appreciate it. Look at me like I'm crazy. Hey, the people, they wasn't no really finna look at me like I'm crazy. They where everybody be at.
You vlogging?
Yeah.
Put me on your vlog. Y'all go add me. You know.
She said go add her. That's, they do got grade A though. I told him I ain't used to nothing like that. Oh my god, he actually vlogging. It takes so long to call. They so damn eyeball like jar. Like y'all forget to see everything. Everything. I was coming for a little while, man. I don't know, man. I don't know. I can't take Dawson serious at all, man. So pop, I mean, damn, Reverend Weston waited, but I was trying to turn. I got the camera in the other hand. My bad. It's all good. I buy like John. Got it. I like it. Woo, boy. Let's see what he fried here like. Oh shit. So you fry him like that. Hey. These fries ain't even that hot. They ain't giving no scrawl, did it? Hold on, bro. Oh, if they did give me a scrawl. Alright. That's a little better now. Hey, this truck really have to do all that to make that turn. It is what it is. I'm trying to drive and vlog and eat. Similar life. Because he gave her her beat. I don't know if that music's too loud or I don't know how that music sound, man. But yeah. I gotta get up so early in the morning. So early in the morning. Like I told y'all, I got a full-time job, man. And I do this vlogging for fun. But I kind of like this shit on low now. I ain't gonna lie. This shit alright. Hey, these fries ain't hot. So, if somebody from If somebody who work at McDonald's look at this vlog, y'all don't know. I got people style now. But y'all gonna know that I'm complaining about these fries. These fries are not cold at all. I mean, damn, sorry. These fries are not hot at all. Y'all gotta step it up, man. Y'all want my business, man. I'm hungry here though. I'm finna fuck these business up. Yeah. Now, I love sweet tea. I love sweet tea. So, I'm gonna say the tea here. But, hey, that tea on point though. That tea on point. Good God, hold on, I gotta give me a little more of the tea now. Fuck that. That tea good. Good as fuck. Man, I'm trying to eat him, goddamn. Oh, shit. He did that shit on purpose. That's how I feel. I feel like he did that shit on purpose. But yeah, man. Everything's just finna get better. I'm gonna try to vlog everything I do every day. I'm gonna try my best to edit and post every other day. Like I said, I got a full-time job, so I got stuff I have to deal with on that. So, hey, this truck rhyme, bro. Look at this shit. I let him pay me though. About to turn on. Them damn fries got a lot of salt too. Nah, yeah, I'm complaining about them damn fries, man. Shit, bro. But yeah, make a long story short, I'm headed back to the crib. I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. I am Record J. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Stay tuned, because I got more coming. Yeah, man. Oh, and two, if y'all just automatically, magically appear in my videos, don't feel no kind of way. But I will put y'all in my videos. If y'all ask, I ain't got no problem with putting y'all in my video. You smell me? I ain't shit. I'm from Dawson, Georgia. I ain't nothing. I'm just a normal old person, man. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, head to the crib. I'm finna eat that food. Go take me a shower, go to sleep. I gotta get up in the morning. Well, I gotta get up early in the morning and run. I'm gonna hit that damn bird. I gotta get up early in the morning, run that load. Yeah, man. Hey, I appreciate all y'all do, man. I appreciate y'all for, you know, rocking with your boy, man. Yeah, this shit finna get better though. Also too, sooner or later, like in the future, I will be, you know, get t-shirts made on my behalf, not that I'm trying to, you know, but I just want to get a t-shirt made for me. You smell me, and I get, and I also will give out t-shirts for y'all. Yeah, I'm out, man.